Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm here with a haul, and I went to Michael's. You guys know I normally don't go to Michael's that much. It's usually just Hobby Lobby or the dollar store. But once in a while I do, and this was what I wanted to get. This is what got me in the store. And they're all individual, okay? All of these picks. So I'm going to cut them so I can put them different places in the tree, because my tree in the living room is all Santa's. So I think these will be cute. So I got 2 of those. And they were normally $9.99, but they were 40% off. Okay? There wasn't many left either. So I got that. Let me see to make sure you've got the whole... Come back a little bit. And then I got this pick for my tree in the den, because they're all snowmen. And again, I'll take each one of these individually off. I thought that was really cute. So really you're getting 3 ornaments in one, right? All their Christmas is 40% off, the decor and the flowers. Then I got this 10. And you know I do my Christmas kitchen gingerbread, and these are perfect colors. Gingerbread cookies, cakes, pies, bread. Warm hugs in a mug bakery. Now this would be easy to make, but I saw this, and like I said, it was 40% off, so I went ahead and got it. But isn't that cute with the lid? But I'm going to do something to this. I'm not just going to put it up this way. So, got that. And then they had this. I thought it was really cute. It's a gingerbread house, but it's a counter. Days until Christmas. Is that adorable? Now I'm going to paint the pink. I don't want the pink. I'm going to do it red, so it's red and white. But I thought that was adorable. And then when this comes off, let me see, you can put and change the cubes to what day it is, starting the 1st of, like, isn't that cute? I thought that was so adorable. Then I found, and I've been doing gingerbread for, like I said, a few years, but look at this cutting board. This is going to be so pretty. Gingerbread cookies, and it gives you the actual recipe. But isn't that adorable? And it's big. It's very big. So I thought that was really cute. That all goes, don't you think? Then they had these, the shoes, and I thought they would go cute with the rest of the pick. And I just got a set. I wanted to get a couple of these. Now these I sometimes put in to my faux cakes for Christmas. I don't know if I'll do that this year. I may just put them in my kitchen with my pine. Isn't that pretty? And then I went ahead and I got these canvases. They're little canvases. They're only $4.99. These were not on sale. The crafts were not on sale. But they're heavy, and I'm going to paint them, and I'm going to take my faux icing and do just like I would a gingerbread. And there's 3 of these, so I'll put each of 3 of these, you know, by my window. So I thought those were really cute. And then they had these for $4.99, and these are felt. These were also $4.99. And there's 18 pieces. And you've already got the perfect color, so all you'd have to do is put your spackle, your lightweight spackle, and decorate them. Then you can put those all over your tree or make a banner, whatever. And then the last thing I got was this garland. This is adorable. Now I don't know, hold on a minute, I gotta get this. How did this get tangled? How? Okay, I gotta move this so I can show you. It was with the garlands. It was normally $19.99, 40% off. But look, the mittens, the jacket, the hat, the pants. Look at the underwear. And then it just repeats itself one more time. But I thought that is adorable. Now, I don't know if I'll keep it as a banner or... I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I don't know yet how I'm going to handle this one, but I thought it was adorable. So, that is my Michaels haul. It's not a lot, but this is how I do every year. I'll get a few things and I'll keep adding to my collection because you'll see something new or you don't have money to buy everything at the same time. And so I just decided this is what I'm going to get. And then I'll get a few things from Dollar Tree, and there's one other thing I need to get, well, 2 things from Hobby Lobby, but they're 60% off, so it's going to cost me virtually nothing. But these they did not have at Hobby Lobby, these particular things. So I wanted to share that with you, and let's see, and I thought you would get a kick out of seeing all of this Santa stuff. I think it's absolutely adorable. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.